Hi my friends, hi everyone. Good morning. I hope all are you well. So today's this is Mockatist Education, and I am founder of Mockatist Education. So today I will discuss the purpose of purpose of our speaking English, and why I want to learn this English language. Why you want to learn this English language? So first you think. So many people also uh, they may say, sir, I want to learn this English. And why you want to learn English? And I ask them, why you want to learn English? First you think, what is your reason? First you find out your reason. First you find out your purpose. First you find out your ideas. Then after, automatically your thing will change. So I say, today also I am discuss why you need this language, English language, and why you cannot speak another way. It will be very interesting topics. And so many people also uh, I have seen many people, they just talk to himself, and not they are trying. So I will do some creation, new things. So why you will learn, and why you will do, and why you want to learn this language. First you find out your purpose, then after, automatically your speaking will grow up. Now I am also like this practice. I am also practicing in front of camera. These things is that why when I go to for a morning walk every day, when I go for a morning walk, then I think, why not I making video, and why not I will make video. So then I think, so I will do morning walk, and so then I start my making video. Now just I'm sharing with you idea, how you can change your idea, how you can uh, change your mindset, how you can think uh, lots of memorable things, and how you can. But one thing is that here, you cannot change the world. Only you can change yourself. You cannot change the world. Only you can change your world. So these things is uh, it is not my opinion. Everything you cannot change the world. World automatically will change if you can change yourself. So they also follow to you what you are doing, and I have to do like these people. So like these people, these words remember my story. This story also very nice and interesting story. uh, Today also I am sharing like this, why I say English language. When I also start with English language, I couldn't speak anything before 10 years ago, 5 years ago. I couldn't speak anything. Nowadays also I am just little I am speaking. So this story is very nice and interesting. uh, you can say this story like a villager. uh, Once there was a villager. How do you say, like I am also saying, when somebody will say in front of you, then you also can try to speak um, like them. And these things is nice and interesting. This is our human attitude. So I am just saying to you this, like this. There was a villager. He did not go to school and college. He always he think. So people wear spectacles for reading and writing. All time he often saw people wear spectacles for reading and writing. But he also thought, if I have spectacles, I also can read like these people. I also can read like these people. So one day he thought, why not I buy spectacles? Then he went to the town and he entered a spectacle shop. Then he said to the shopkeeper, why you come here, my brother? And he said, oh brother, I need spectacles for reading and writing. Can you give me spectacles for reading? And the shopkeeper said to him, okay, sit here, I will give you spectacles. And shopkeeper gave him various spectacles and also book. Then he tried to, and he wear spectacles and he tried to read, but he could not read anything. But he couldn't read anything, and he said to the shopkeeper, "You all are spectacles useless for me. You all are spectacles useless for me, and I want to buy spectacles for reading. Why not you show me your nice spectacles and give me your special spectacles, and I will give you lots of money." But the spectacles shopkeeper gave him a doubtful look. Oh, what is the matter? And why he said to me, my all our spectacles useless? And he gave him a doubtful look. Then suddenly the shopkeeper saw his book was upside down. His book was upside down. Then he thought, oh my dear friends, I think you are very illiterate. You are very ignorant. You couldn't read and write. And the villager said, yes, I couldn't read and write. That's why I come here. And I need spectacles. Why not you show me your special spectacles? And he said, no, my dear friends, all our spectacles here is good. But you are very illiterate. You are very ignorant. You are very, very fool human. So first of all, you read and write, and I would advise to you, spectacles don't help you to see better. Spectacles help to you see better. Spectacles don't help to you read and write. Spectacles help to you to see better. The villager was very upset, and I think, okay, now I understand. I'm very illiterate person, and what I'll do. That's why I also often saw many people, they read books and papers with spectacles. I also thought, if I have spectacles, I also can read like these people. But my dear friends, sorry, okay, and I will learn and read. Then afterwards, I will buy spectacles. Then he went away to the village. This is my story, and this is a simple story. You can develop your idea and your thoughts every time. You can do this practice, and my dear old friends, you think, what is your purpose? First you think why you can think, why you cannot think. So many people also, they just and who will do with this language, who will make fun with this language, they cannot say anything. And I will say to you, English secret is that here. So English is not funny language. English is not easy language. English is not English is very complicated language. And I always say, you can do with this practice, and you will be very serious with this language. And after uh, two, not 2-3 years, after 2-3 years you can speak. So my story is very interesting. Then my another things is that the this also why you want to learn English language. First you think what is the reason. First you find out the reason. If you don't find out your reason, you cannot speak. This is 100%, and I am saying to you, I also start now. I also practicing to before from 5 years you can think. So now I found, and why you want to learn and why you want to speak English. So first you find out, and then after you can think, you can say my purpose is here and I found is my purpose. And like this I will give you an example. This that's like a human being. What human being nature, who did not have any house, who did not have any money, who did not have any good situation, but what he will do first. I think he will make, he will try to make his house. He will try to build up his house. He will try to make a uh, like living uh, house. So and he will find out some land, and he will find out his work job. Then after he will develop. First he think, now I need a land. Then after he will make his house. So that's why also English language so same things. I say always, I say so everything has a reason. We do nothing without reason. Everything has a reason. We do nothing without reason. So you can practice, this language, and after 2 or 3 years your speaking will develop automatically. If you find out your reason, if you find out your idea why I want to learn this language. So why if you if these things also. Now I am a I have a education center. So this Mokadish education. Now I also find out and what I'll do, and why I born in the world. So God God has God God give me this opportunity, and you can do this practice. So my opinion is that here. So you also can do this practice, and after practicing your speaking will grow up. So I hope you understand my opinion, and you also can speak like me. So then my today's video in here, and my time's up now. 6:30 at 6:30, and I have to go in my home. Then I will start my classes. So this is my opinion. This was my opinion for you, and you also can practice like me. And I hope you understand, and I will make another video. And now today's video in here. Tata and bye bye. Best of luck.